1.
These are the video instructions for assignment 3.2, mobile app design. In this assignment, you're going to create a presentation in which you use the Shapes tool to create your own mobile app designs. So the first thing you're going to do is add this assignment to the Google Classroom. Once you've done that, you need to choose a theme. You need to choose a theme that's got a dark background. I'm just going to go with the top theme there. And then in slide number 1 is going to be the title slide, and you're going to put in, you're going to name it Mobile App Design Created by Your Name. And then you're going to add a title only slide by clicking on the plus button. Actually, I want to make sure I select title only. So on the drop down arrow next to the plus button, I'm going to select title only, which is your 5th choice. And that will give you a slide that has the title only, and then it's all blank. Where it says title only, or the title, you're going to type in weather app, and then you're going to insert a shape. The first thing you're going to do is insert a rounded rectangle, and you can do this 2 ways. You can go to the insert menu and choose shape from the insert menu, or you can go up to the toolbar and click on the shapes icon and choose shapes, and there you can see there's a rounded rectangle. So you're going to click on that. Now we want to make a rounded square. So to do that, you have to hold down the shift key while you're making the square. So I'm going to hold down shift, and then I'm going to drag out, and there you can see it makes a perfect square. So once I have that made, then I'm going to move that and drag it until it almost fits the slide. So it takes up most of the room. And then I'm going to click and drag and put it in the middle of the slide. And I want to use the red lines. There you can see is 1. So there I've got it in the exact center of the slide. So I'm going to click and let go. And then I want to change the fill color of the square. You can pick any color. I'm going to I picked blue before to kind of represent the sky. So I'm going to click on the bucket and change that to blue, the fill color. And then I'm going to change the outline of the line of the line color to white. That's why you wanted a dark background. And I want to choose the line weight to be 8 point. So then once I have that, I'm going to insert a sun shape. So again, I'm going to go to the shapes icon, and I'm going to go to shapes, and there you can see there's a sun. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click in the upper left-hand corner and drag down until that kind of fills the shape, the rounded square, and I'm going to click and drag that around so that's in the exact middle of the square. And I want to change the fill color and the line color to orange, and the line weight to 1 point. And so there I've created a design for a weather app. Now I'm going to make 5 more slides for different apps, and it's pretty simple to recreate this. I'm just going to duplicate this slide, and I can do it one of 2 ways. I can click on the slide icon and go to duplicate slide. I could also right click on the slide and choose duplicate slide. Slide 3, is going to be a Maps app. So I'm going to go to slide 3 and just double click on the word weather and change that to Maps. I'm going to click on the icon, and I want to change the color. I'm going to change it to a different color. I'm going to get rid of the sun icon, and in this case, I'm going to use a shape. I'm going to use a curved arrow, kind of like to look like a street sign. So I'm going to click up in the upper left-hand corner and drag that out, and then I can move that around. So that's in the exact center. And again, I'm going to change the color to make a different app. So there I've made a Maps app, and I'm going to keep doing that. Slide 4 is going to be a message app. Slide 5 is going to be a calendar app. And in this app, I just double clicked in the center of the app, and I changed the font. So here's the calendar, and I'm going to delete that shape, change the color to a gray background, double click in the app. There you can see I can type, and I'm going to go ahead and change the alignment so that it's aligned to the top and that it's center aligned. And I'm going to make that font a lot bigger so it's easier to read. It might be too big for the word. And I'm going to type in the word Sunday, hit enter, change the font color to white, and make that a lot bigger too, 96, and type in 30. And so that's how I made the calendar app. And then the last one was a calculator app. And in that one, I changed the font color or the fill color to orange, and I inserted all of these shapes. If you go up to the shapes icon and go to equations, you can find the plus sign, the minus sign, the multiplication sign, and the equal sign that I used. And so I just dragged those around and make sure that they were aligned. So there you can see I have those two aligned, and I have that aligned with the top and with the one below it. And then I put those in, changed the color to white and the line color to white, and put those apps in. So if you have any questions on assignment 3.2, let me know. Good luck, and make sure you show me when you get finished.